doing? Everything okay? You see something? Hi.
Mommy.
Hi, baby. I love you. Everything went well. What's the matter? What's that face? What's that face? So the gauze where it is where it has to stay?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's not, I was thinking it was going to be on the roof of her mouth. Okay,
No, it's
good.
on the top side.
Okay.
Are you sure it's done? Because my eye is sore.
Yeah, we're going to let you have a little bit more fluids.
There you go, so you won't be so thirsty.
Yeah.
Sound good?
Yeah. I like your hair.
I like your face.
Oh!
Thanks.
Come look at her eyelashes.
I can see them moving.
Aren't they pretty?
I have to pay for those.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Really?
Girl, it costs like $30 every time.
Really?
Every like 3 to 4 weeks. It's so expensive.
So pretty.
You're so blessed. Did she get nitrous or what?
Uh-uh. Well, she had one percent, but
She's a lightweight.
yeah, the lightweight like her mama. That's funny.
Let's see, when I'd had a colonoscopy,
Wait,
I woke up singing The Hills Are Alive with the sound of music.
Oh my gosh. You're all done.
It's over?
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh, you gotta leave that. Oh, honey, you're so funny. Don't touch your mouth. Yay, it's all over.